Here we have Aeaea. She's a 55-foot 1-inch narrowboat, built in 2003 by David Homer on a shell from Colecraft Engineering. She's a port-hold boat, and for those wondering what the name means, it's a mythological island. She's in great condition. She's a semi-trad, and as you can see there's a canvas tonneau cover for when she's not in use. Under the deck boards there's a Beta Marine 37.5 horsepower diesel engine, lovely dry engine space. And stepping down into the aft cabin, a really handy area here for hanging wet clothing, loads of cupboards and storage. The fit out throughout the boat is all in oak ply, really nicely done. Storage under the steps. So walking forwards, master bedroom, 6'4" by 3'7" permanent double. It does extend to 4 foot 4 inch wide. Hanging space there. Access to under the bed storage at the side here. That's your bed extension. There's plenty of storage on this boat. Into the shower room. Got a pump out macerator toilet here with a 140 gallon stainless steel tank. Hot water is provided by the engine and boiler. There is an immersion boss fitted should you wish to install an immersion heater. Central heating is by an Eberspacher diesel boiler. Set of side doors with a hatch over, and another set of side doors above the sink. Into the galley. You can see those lovely cupboard fronts there. There's some really nice detail throughout this boat with the woodwork. Both of the side doors have acrylic inserts. Sofa bed in the saloon. Sofa bed extends to make a double bed, 6'2" by 4'6". Folding dinette table. More cupboards at the fore. Some nice glass cabinets. Cratch covered well deck with a hinged table and seat lockers. We'll just walk back through the boat from fore to aft. There's a cupboard here under the galley that I didn't show you earlier. So this is Aeaea. She's a 55-foot 1-inch semi-trad, 2003. She's with us at North Kilworth Marina. Give us a call to book an appointment, 01788 822115. For more details or to download the 4-page brochure, visit our website www.abnb.co.uk, or you can email us at admin@abnb.co.uk.